Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to paper trade right here on NinjaTrader. And I searched for a long time and there were a lot of tutorials where people told you how to paper trade, but they don't tell you a few steps why it won't work. And I found it out how to do this since yesterday. So I'm here to give you an up-to-date paper trade tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do right here is go to ninjatrader.com and click on open account. Then you can create yourselves an account right here with Google or sign up with your email address. And to be honest, creating an account right here on NinjaTrader, I already created a video for that. So if that won't work, check that video of mine where I show you exactly how to create an account. But for now, I will log in real quick and then show you what you need to do. So right now I'm here in the NinjaTrader dashboard and this is what everyone will see. Then what we're going to do right here is we click here on download because we need to download ourselves the most recent release of NinjaTrader. So click here on download. Then he's downloading right here the exe file. And then what we're going to do right here is click right here on install. Now I already have it, but click then here on finish. But normally do all these steps, click on next, then do download. Then he will download it for you and then after that complete it and then you can open NinjaTrader. And then what you will see right here is exactly, let me check this. You will see almost this. Maybe the chart, maybe this, maybe that, but those two you won't see that. Right now what you need to do is if you go right here to your screen, you see right here your live account because you just created that live account. And what you need to do right here is we go to tools where we select settings. Then right now we click right here on multi-provider. We do apply, okay. And then we are here in our nice trading application. And then most of the time what people are telling you is please click on right mouse click and then click here on add simulation account. But guys, it's gray. We can't click on add simulation account. So what we're going to do from here is we go to tools, settings, and we enable right here multi-provider. So click here on multi-provider, apply, then we do okay. And now you see right here a sim 101. And if you don't have it standing right there, now we can click on right mouse click and then do add simulation account. Then we can select right here a name. So we do test, select right here your currency. Now commission is not necessary. We can select right here the initial cash and now risk is okay. And then we do okay. Then right now it's saying a disconnect and reconnect is required to make the account change effective. And right now you see right here sim test. So now we are having our demo account standing right here and now we can start trading with our demo account. So let's say, now I'm drawing, but let's say we want to buy something. Then we go right here to new, select order ticket, and then we are having here a order ticket and this ticket is already standing right here. Then we click right here on the instrument that we want to buy. So Bitcoin is fine. Select here how much we want to buy. And you see right here exactly what you can buy, but one is fine. Select the market type right here. And it's also important to select right here, of course, your account. So we do now the sim test. Then we select right here market, that is fine. And then right now if you click on buy and we do yes, we created ourselves a nice Bitcoin position. So this is how you can paper trade right here on NinjaTrader. And hopefully this was exactly the video where you was looking for. If you have any questions about how to paper trade, please comment it down below so I can help you out right there. And then from now, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.